Hello, my friend. This is Sophia from sophiaoja.com. Today, I would like to show you how you can set up a button inside your ConvertKit emails. Now, your ConvertKit emails already come with clickable buttons, buttons that can link to any website, a YouTube video, a sales page, anything that you'd like. If you're using the modern or the classic template that comes with your account, then you can already go ahead and use a button. When you use a modern template, for example, I want to show you what it looks like. This is how it will show up in your emails. It's a gray button with white text. If you'd like to customize this, then we'll create a custom template from scratch and make all the changes so that you can make this button look exactly how you want it to look. All right, so what you'll need to do is start with the modern or a classic template. I really like the modern template, so I'll start with this. So what you want to do is click in this box right here. And then you're going to grab all the code that's in here. Command C for copy. And then we're going to create a brand new template with the modern template code as a foundation. So click on new email template and then paste it right here. I'm going to call it custom template with button. Okay. Click Save. So now you have your custom template to work with. Go back in here. So this is the piece of code right here that we are going to customize. Okay? And as we make the changes here, we want to see what the button looks like. So what you're going to do is go into a sequence email. Here I have a sequence email. And make sure that the settings reflects that new template you just created. Okay, so select that from the drop-down menu here, update sequence, and jump back into content and take a look here. There is no button here, right? In order to make the button appear, there's a piece of code that you're going to need. For that, go onto the blog and scroll down until you see point number 3 right here. And this is the piece of code that you're going to grab. Now, of course, it says my website link and text that I've just come up with, and I'll show you how to customize that. So copy this piece of code, jump back into your sequence email, and exactly where you want that button to show up, make your cursor appear there, and then click on HTML, this icon right here. And this will bring you the screen where you can adjust the HTML code. So I'm going to press enter and plug in that code that I just copied from the blog. All right. So what is it going to look like now? Here it is. This is what the button will look like. Now remember, we are still using the modern template as our foundation, so we haven't made any changes here, so it still looks gray. We'll change all of that in just a second. But let's say you want to change the link, right? What you're going to do is just type in, like you're typing in an email, and change it to any website that you want your folks to go to. It could be a YouTube link, any link whatsoever. And then the text can also be changed. Right here, sign up to my next live training. I can change it to something that says, click here to learn more. and you can see this is how it looks. You can always come back to my blog post number 20 and copy the code right from step number 3. Okay, so now let's go and customize how this button looks. So there are several ways to customize the button. Of course, first you need to jump into your template and come down to this section over here. Now, let's say you would like the background to reflect a color from your website, okay? So let's say you want this nice yellow, but you don't know the hex code of this. I have found recently a colleague shared with me a really cool app, and it's called Colorzilla. You can go to, it's a free app, just go to colorzilla.com and you can download this app. I have already done that, so it shows up over here in my tab. And if I want to grab this color, I don't know what it is, I'm just going to click on this and say pick color from page. So it's going to pick any color that it can recognize and show up in that square here. So for example, this one. It copies the color to the clipboard, and then I can go over here, click on color picker, and grab the hex code. Easy peasy. Alright, so come over into your template here, and where it says background, change it to the color of your choice. Oh, and make sure that there is the hashtag reflected here. Okay, and this color refers to the color of the text, of the font. So you can change that here as well. And go ahead and save it. Come back to your template, refresh the page, and let's see if the button is showing yellow. It is. Now let's say you would like to add a border to your button, a gray border around your button. So come over here to the blog again. To add the border, you can just grab this piece of code right here, and inside the template you can add it. And this will give you a gray box around your yellow button, but you can really change it to any color you like. I'm going to save it again and see what my changes look like. And there you go, you can see there's a gray line around the yellow button. So this way you can really customize the button, make it exactly how you want it to look. So that's it. This is how you would customize your button and link it to any page you like and make it look exactly the way you like it to look. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching. If you have any other questions, please come down into the comments over here and post in your comments or questions. If there's anything else you'd like to learn about ConvertKit or email marketing, just let me know and I'll be happy to make you a free tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, click on subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Bye!